with the arrival of your grandchild, Apo, how did it bring you together? Naging additional factor sa closeness niyo ngayon?
Maybe because
That's a good
we're
question.
equally excited to be with our very first grandchild now. Kumbaga ang cute-cute kasi niya.
He's adorable, like Robin.
He's so bait, alam mo yun, he's such a happy baby. Yeah, maybe I would have never planned a trip to another state with Martin before Christmas. I mean, syempre, we have our own lives, no? But somehow now we're doing that
We have to for the
because of Finn, because of our two boys. We always plan something with our boys just for the concept of being a family. No, but ngayon parang mas nag-e-effort kami because of him. We don't want to miss out.
Not one day.
Yeah.
May guest appearance din ba?
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Wala. Malaki-laki na siya. And he's very musical now. You know that it's happened so many times. Robin would bring him during our rehearsals in the States, and he really listens. He listens so much that he falls asleep every time nagre-rehearse kami. So I guess the music and the loudness doesn't really bother him. So maybe it's a sign that he will also be into the music.
Oh no!
That's a per se.
Something about the trip to the US for Finn's first birthday. Magpapakwento lang sana kung ano yung nangyari doon.
Ako yung sa birthday. Because nga, ilang araw lang kami, ilang days lang we were able to spend in Chicago with Robin, Finn, and Ian, his family over there. We tried to make it a point to spend every minute with Finn. So pagising, tinatawagan na namin si Robin, nakaplano na yun, kakain kami somewhere. And the idea is really just to be with our family and with Robin, of course, and with Finn. Lalo na ako, parang I didn't want to miss out because I know we're only going to be there for like 4 or 5 days. Tapos ilang buwan na naman kami hindi magkikita. So binaon ko na lahat ng moments with both of them, and it turned out to be
So nice.
it's a fun trip because we got to meet Mia's family also, and she has a huge family.
Huge.
So yung birthday party ni Finn, family lang niya pala, at saka kami lang. So ang laki-laki na, dami-dami na. And it's so nice. I mean, kami-kami lang, but somehow we all enjoyed, the children enjoyed. Finn was kind of clueless. He didn't know what was happening. But I think in his own little way, he also had fun because pagod na pagod siya nun, pero hindi talaga siya nagreklamo. Tinapos niya yung buong party niya. He's really a very, very good baby.